How to repair a Husqvarna carburetor. Husqvarna is known for its chainsaws. Chainsaws are particularly dependent on a properly adjusted and functioning carburetor, because the carburetor idle controls the chain speed when idling. Chains mustn't rotate when idling because they will create safety hazard. Other tools that Husqvarna manufactures also need carburetor attention, although for less critical reasons that include starting and acceleration. Repairing a Husqvarna carburetor involves making adjustments to it. Turn the screw labeled T clockwise if the idle is too low and you require a higher idle speed. Turn the screw labeled T counterclockwise if the chain on a chainsaw moves when idling, or you need a lower idle speed on other equipment. Fine-tune the T-screw after a few minutes used to complete the repair. Turn the screw so that the engine runs smoothly at idle, and also when running. Recheck idle after turning the screw while the engine is under load. Keep plenty of leeway between idle and the chain rotating the chain using T creep forward. Tips warnings. Don't use a Husqvarna chainsaw if the chain creeps when idling.